my strategy is a little different from yours. So you said you want to, get to 15K with ad rev and about, whatever 1, 2, 3K with affiliate. I'm actually doing the opposite. Like I told you before, I am going after the affiliate money solely. That's my sole focus. I really don't care so much about ad revenue at all because of the whole invalid thing.
Yeah.
And I just can't trust YouTube anymore with that thing. But I can trust YouTube that if I make a good video and the audience likes it, they will rank it and it will get consistent search traffic. So I'm confident in my ability to rank videos and create good content. And I'm also confident in my ability to drive searchable traffic to an affiliate offer and then convert that. Well, they converted. They basically monetize my traffic. It's as simple as that. I'm working with a bunch of different affiliate partners. I have some good ones, which I'm not going to reveal because,
that's a new thing.
Yeah,
we're now keeping some stuff. Maybe that's also good. Keep some stuff.
No, but I won't. You know why? Because I've met this guy Eric. Because before I used to tell a lot. Oh, I do this, that, da. Like now, I will tell you guys my updates. I will tell you my updates, everything I'm doing. But I'm not gonna be like revealing all of my secrets. Why?
You don't have to.
Yeah, I don't have to, first of all. And, I will tell my secrets to the people who want to work with me. Because in the past month, I figured out that a lot of people are really like not appreciative of the things that I've just been giving away for free. So I'm like, all right, I ain't gonna give no more.
How do you come to that conclusion?
Well, I'll tell you how. So I met Eric, right? And Eric.
No, I mean the conclusion that people don't enjoy what you share, like don't appreciate what you share. I think that's not true, right?
Oh, that conclusion.
Yeah.
Well, because, after we did those couple of podcasts, a lot of people commented and those comments got a lot of likes. And by the way, I also thought about it. Like, I really don't want to focus on the negativity. Exactly. I really don't want to focus on any of on none of that. But it just showed me that there's quite a few people who are just never going to really appreciate anything you do. And that's okay. That's part of the game. Yeah. So my intention is not to, to serve those people. My intention is to serve those people who are curious and interested and appreciative of the things that we are doing and giving away for free. But anyway, that's besides the point. Yeah. The reason why I came to this is because I'm talking to Eric now, right? And I was explaining him the whole thing I do with affiliate and searchable content. And the funny thing is that back in 2008, he did the same thing with SEO, but on Google. Right. So we have very similar. He was aiming to be a super affiliate and he reached it. And he then has sold his lead gen company. It's a whole thing, but he's a very interesting individual with a high net worth. And he's we're working together now. He's mentoring me and I have a very good relationship going on with him. But then I told him about this thing that I'm doing. And he's like, yeah, dude, by the way, you shouldn't tell this shit to anyone. You should just keep it all to yourself and go all in on it. I'm like, hell yeah, I should. Why should I be telling anyone this? So I'm like, fuck it. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, but there's also two different things. Like you can tell everything. You can all the information is pretty much available if you look for it. But taking the correct steps, like you're filming the videos yourself. You are contacting the right affiliate programs. You're deep diving in those affiliate programs, and you know the different angles. It's also a specific way of work that not a lot of people do anyway. But I feel you. Like you don't we have combined so much knowledge in terms of YouTube and affiliate marketing. Like we don't need to share it. Like it's our own choice, and of course we share it with our students if they ask. But it's fully up to you and me, of course.
Yeah. Exactly. So that's kind of the thing. And but I still love recording the podcast and talking to you and, kind of giving the updates and going back and forth. So nothing changes on this end.